Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Bizyjoe.com. So today I'll show you how to add your YouTube video thumbnail on your YouTube channel while uploading your video. So if today is your first time visiting my channel Bizyjoe.com, please do well to subscribe to my channel, share our video with your friends and family. So let's me move over to my screen and show you how you can be able to add your already designed thumbnail to your YouTube video. So in order to do that, I've already designed, there's a thumbnail that I've designed before. So let me go to download. So this is the particular thumbnail. So this is the thumbnail I designed using poster my wall. Yeah. So I'm leaving the video on how to design this particular thumbnail on the description of this particular video. So check the description and see the video on how to you can design this type of catch thumbnail. So I'll be uploading this particular thumbnail on my YouTube video. So in order to do that, I'll just click on add. I'll click on upload video. It's very simple. It's very simple to upload a video on a thumbnail on your video. So once you click on upload video, so you just select the video you want to upload. You just select the video you want to upload first. Okay, let me go and choose any video of my choice. Let me go to download. Okay, so let's assume that I want to upload this particular video. So I'll just click on this. So I'll give it a title. I give this video a title. How to upload from. So this is the title of the video. I'll add the description of this video. I'll add the description of this video. Anything that I want, I just add it. Then if I want to upload a thumbnail, you see this particular section, you see thumbnail. This particular select or upload a picture that shows what's in your video. So this is where you can upload your particular thumbnail. So once you click on this particular upload thumbnail, you can be able to upload the thumbnail of your choice. So this is the thumbnail that I just created. I will upload that on my video. So but if you don't want to use this particular thumbnail, once the video finished uploading on your YouTube channel, you can see there will be a list of auto-generated thumbnail by YouTube for you, so you can select any of those particular thumbnail to use on your video if you don't want to use the custom design. But you know that this particular type of thumbnail like to design by yourself normally converts more. You can if you are good with that, it normally converts more because you can design a thumbnail that suits your video best. So and if you want to learn how to design this type of thumbnail, check the description of this video. I'll be leaving the video on the description so that you can watch and know how you can create an awesome thumbnail for your video. So if you find any usefulness in this particular video on how to upload YouTube thumbnail on your video, please do well to hit the subscription button down below and the bell notification button close to it to get notified. And always remember to share this video with your friends and family. So thanks for watching this video.